Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram quiet mode to pause notifications at night or at work. Once you have opened your Instagram app, tap the profile icon on the bottom right, then tap that horizontal lines on the upper right corner of your phone and tap for settings and privacy. So once you're in there, if you are going to scroll down and if you feel like you don't know where to go, all you have to do is just to go on the search bar on the very top of your phone and then just write quiet mode. Now this is easier and you'll be able to see the quiet mode option already. So once you're in there, you can toggle that on if you wish to mute your notifications during your quiet mode, and your status and your auto reply will be updated to in quiet mode, so people or your followers will be able to see that you are in quiet mode, and you can just set the time automatically here. So that's basically the process. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.